how to export iPhone contacts to Gmail or Google account. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can export iPhone contacts to Gmail or Google account. Firstly, go to your phone app. In your phone app, make sure you are in the contacts section. At the bottom, you will see different tabs. From that, select contacts. Now tap on list at the top left corner. Here you will see all of your contacts. You can export all of the contacts at once. To do that, tap and hold on all contacts. Here it has written all iCloud. After that, you will see two options, email all and export. Select the second option, export. Now if you want to uncheck any, you can do that. Click on done at the top right corner. Now from this menu, select the option save to files. You can rename the files if you want and click on save. After that, go back to your home page. Now open any of your web browser. Go to contacts.google.com. Tap on the plus icon here. Then select create multiple contacts. Now tap on import contacts. Tap on the option select files. Now select the file that you just saved. After that, simply import it. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.